In today's video, let me walk you through the process on how to fix the Instagram contacts not showing. Now, the first thing that you can do in order to solve this issue is make sure that you have selected or toggled on the connect contacts inside of Instagram. So what you need to do is head over to this hamburger menu. Once you're inside, head over to account center, and from account center you need to head over to your information and permission. And right here inside of upload contacts, make sure that you've toggled this option on, which is the connect contacts. If this option was toggled on off for you, this was the exact issue that you're facing. But however, if this is not the issue with you, then you need to make sure that the permission of contacts is enabled for Instagram. So what you simply need to do is hop out of the app, tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to permissions and make sure that the contact is selected to allow. What you can also try out is first of all disallow it and then allow it again. Once you do that, make sure you remove the Instagram app from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is fixed. But however, if your issue is still not fixed, then this likely may be due to some bugs or glitches on your phone. So what you can do is uninstall Instagram from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue should be now fixed. And lastly, in order to solve any sort of glitches on your phone, you can try restarting it. So once you do these few steps, I do hope your issue will be now solved. If this video did help you out, do let us know by giving it a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.